Guys, today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily find an exhaust leak on your car. You're just going to need two things. You're going to need a spray bottle with a little bit of soapy water and a shop vac or a leaf blower. On your shop vac, you usually have two sides on a shop vac. You usually have a side that sucks in, like this one right here. It says intake, and on the other side it says blower. We're going to be using the blower side, okay? This is the side that's actually going to blow some air out. All we're going to do is take this to the back of the car. Okay, back here at the exhaust, we're just going to get the blower and we're going to put it in the tailpipe in there and turn it on. So when I'm driving the car, I can kind of hear that the exhaust leak is coming from the driver's side, so that's where I'm going to start. Start spraying down the exhaust on the side I think that the leak is coming from. And if we look right here, I got a bunch of bubbles coming from the manifold right here. But right here is where I think I have my exhaust leak. And that is the quickest and easiest way to find an exhaust leak.